What are you doing, Cheyenne?
I'm fixing the wheelbarrow that broke.
You fixing the wheelbarrow? What's wrong with it?
The legs keep going inwards.
So it's not very stable, huh?
No.
Pretty old wheelbarrow. But yeah, I can see that leg is not stable.
I'm gonna see what's wrong with it.
Yeah? So what do you think's wrong with it?
It needs a brace in the middle.
Right? I think it probably used to have a metal brace on there, didn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, it probably fell off. So how are you going to fix it?
I'm gonna measure it, and then since we don't have steel or anything, we're gonna use wood.
Okay. All right, let's see what you come up with. So it's about 17.5 inches, right?
Yes.
Okay. We could probably get by with 17. Okay, so what are you going to use to fix it?
Wood.
Okay. So you found a piece of scrap wood. You're going to measure it out to what? 17 inches?
17 inches.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to have to cut that down a little bit, right?
Yes.
I got the board.
Okay. You need it stabilized again, Cheyenne?
I might be able to get it in my face.
Well, you keep your fingers out of the way.
I think somebody might have to hold it.
Okay. It's still not perfect, but at least it won't be having one end bend inside. Okay, maybe you can use your wheelbarrow without it falling over on you now. Go ahead and flip it up and let's see what happens. Yeah, I think that'll hold. That'll do for a while till we get another wheelbarrow. High five. Good girl.